Hey everybody, so it's Sunday morning, 7 o'clock. Got some crazy weather coming in the next 2 days, so thought we'd come out and see what we can find. Go explore a bit, maybe cast the rod. I'm gonna go to Simcoe, maybe head over Keswick side. Not sure yet, haven't decided. We'll see what the conditions are when we get out there. But yeah, thanks for joining. Hopefully could get some content today. Just waiting for Forest Sound to finish launching. Then away we go. I'll skip from here to Simcoe. How many videos could have the same footage in the same river? So we'll get going, and when I get to Simcoe, I'll check back in. See you in a minute. Alright guys, so made it out to Simcoe. Right here at the bottom end of Cook's Bay. Got an east wind hitting us right now, and it's supposed to get considerably worse throughout the day over the next couple hours. Not to mention the rain and everything. Supposed to get record rain over the next 24 hours. So what we're probably going to do is run the west shore, explore Cook's Bay on the west side, cut across, and then come back down on this side, fish somewhere in between. At least that way, with the east wind on the way back, when it picks up, we'll be more protected and not have to go through this chop on Simcoe. But yeah, so see what we can turn this episode into. I'm just gonna switch my eyewear because it is pretty chilly out here, and we'll get going. So let's go. Alright, so we made it all the way out of Cook's Bay. We started at the very bottom there. It's hard to even see it now, probably not even on the GoPro. Mark is somewhere way down there. I accidentally lost him. What else is new? I have a heavy throttle finger. Down that way would be Barry. All the way across, you can't even see the land yet. Here's Aurelia. And then we have a couple islands like Snake Island and stuff, but we're gonna avoid those right now just because I'm gonna do videos around those islands of fishing and stuff. So we'll wait till the right time to shoot there. So what we're probably gonna do now is just cut across to the west shore and then run our way all the way back along the west shore through Cook's Bay on the other side, and then possibly stop in Keswick for some fishing. But at least we should be sheltered from some of the wind when it picks up. So yeah, made it as far this way as we're going north anyways for today. But pretty soon we'll be crossing over and hitting Couchiching. So put my glove back on, put the camera away, and away we go. Checking in a minute.
Hi, buddy. How are you?
Found you.
Found you. I'm like, holy shit. I think I'm gonna lost it.
Alright, made it to the Keswick side here, Crates Marina or whatever it's called.
We made it.
As Mark said, we made it! But you can't come outside without casting the rod a few times. So that will be what we do next. So let me get all set up here and I'll check back in. Trolling didn't work out today.
Huh?
Did a bunch of circles. Mark's talking to me, but I'm talking to the camera. So we're gonna cast for a bit here, 9 feet of water, marking some fish, cast for 10 minutes or so, and then the wind is really picking up fast now. So we might go head towards the river, hang out in the river for a bit. We'll see what happens. Guys, so back in the Holland River here. Wrapped up our trip around Cook's Bay. Next time out, we'll try another area, another bay. Eventually conquer all of Simcoe. Head up into Couchiching. And hopefully by that time the Trent's open, everything's open, and we can start shooting videos elsewhere. I have lots of lakes I want to hit this year, but kind of stuck to where I live right now. Don't want to travel to lakes. I need that, guys. So yeah, gonna cast here in the river for a bit and see if we catch nothing. Catch nothing. That doesn't sound right. See if we catch anything. If not, then not. If yes, oh, shallow water alarm. Shallow. If we catch something, I'll check back in. If not, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit like, that bell for post notifications or whatever that whole spiel is. And see you on the next adventure.